If I give my 14 grams, he gon' go kill. Every time I drop an onion in the water, I get the chills. We got girl, we got boy. My white girl love that boy. Go and ask up on the hill. Shit, I'm auntie proud and joy.
Be a night POV. About to hop in the Black Pearl. Yeah, y'all heard it. I found a name for it. I was watching Pirates of the Caribbean. I was like, man, the Black Pearl, this her right here. So we about to hop up in the Black Pearl. Probably go fill her up right quick. Get some highway POV. And I'm gonna go pick up my daughter.
I seen niggas catch bad breaks like Brandon Roy. Yeah, they went fed. OD, but I don't speak up on the dead. I'll let auntie take a blast and smack her head.
I feel like the one nigga, Catavius Caldwell Pope. I got a few pages on my schedule, baby, go get my lab coat. I coach my aunt to get that drink till up, he got a bad throw. But yet you got a bad call. That shit work, she got that shit, she broke my heart and ran off. I can show you how to make a 50 off of blocks like Randall. It's the dog and the goat, what's the word? It's the 24 creek, give a fuck about what you heard. I saw two white boys run away, look like Phineas and Ferb. Niggas say they wanna for a paint, that's absurd. I can make 5K off the crate, I take it out the burbs. You would think we got pies around the way we frying birds. Told her I'm gonna ball without you, baby girl, mark my words.
I can't be your lover, but I can be your friend. Keep it playing to the end, but I'm like just swag, I can't pretend. She watched me trap in real Durango. Every time we fuck it's a 10 to 10. Had to ball her up, told her walk it off. She know I'm a walking dog. It been this from the start. If I don't lie to you, I can't break your heart. But you gotta play your part. Use the GPS and play it smart. We almost at the finish line. I might introduce you as a friend of mine, but I feel different looking in your eyes. Yeah, I feel different in between your thighs. I feel like she see through the lies and the bullshit. bullshit. All the extra bitches in the hood shit. I might take you out the country just to show you how shit could get. Selling whole bricks got me hood rich. Shit like death row. Welcome to the mob. I hustle. I ain't got a ride, but I love the fact that you down the ride. Got side hustles and she keep a job. From the projects, ain't no diva card. Better watch your mouth with me involved. Every real bitch really need a dog. I'll bite your ass. I'll break your heart and one night your ass. I'll pass you off if I don't like your ass. Just chill, sit back and light the gas. She sucking and sloppy, I might just crash. I really don't give a fuck about your past. Let's get this fucking cash. Like, do you got hard enough?
Y'all, we just got the Wawa. We about to fill the Black Pearl up. As you see, she is wet. She is dirty. She's a nasty bitch. Man. Nah, the weather been some shit lately, y'all. My ram's dirty. Don't worry, man. We about to clean her up. I think it's about to rain some more tonight. But after it rain, we're gonna probably do a car wash vlog. But yeah, we at Wawa. I'm about to fill this joint up. Let y'all know how much it costs to fill up. Yes, sir. 93 only. 93 only. Make sure y'all check it. Make sure the that pump going to y'all pump, bro. I know y'all seen that video. Alright. Y'all comment down below before it stops. How much y'all think it's gonna cost to fill all the way up? I had like 40 gallons left, but we damn near had to. Bro, I don't know why my shit be doing this, bro. When I go to fill my shit up, sometimes it just stop randomly. I don't know, we gotta get that checked out. It might be something clogging up the fuel pump or something. It's like I gotta pull it out halfway before I even get to do anything. Hey, go ahead, bro. Them niggas listen to Tupac. Yeah, bro, y'all see how dirty this dumb motherfucker is? Look at that pollen. It's done dirty. The Black Pearl. Y'all let me know if y'all like that name, bro. We got some shoes coming soon. They're gonna be black. It's gonna match the whole car. And eventually I wanna wrap it. I just don't know what I wanna wrap it. Y'all understand? Like, I like the black, but I don't like it. I mean, I like it. I like it. I just be tweaking, y'all. I fuck with the black. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what color y'all would like to see the Durango.
Fucking that bitch, you just wanna go up. I was jacking on press to say you cutting up. I got paid tuition when I'm in the club. I spend my money on a drink. I could've bought designer stuff. Brand new Cartiers when I'm on the D, they be calling the bluff. I'm hiding that bitch, I know I can't trust. I was fucking that bitch, you just wanna go up. I was jacking on press to say you cutting up. I got paid tuition when I'm in the club. I'm like a chrome heart, like I'm a dub. All she wanna do is take shots in the club. Sipping no drink, fell asleep with my cup. Too much money, keep adding it up. I ain't dropping no whip, hopping straight in the black truck. Cut the bitch off, all she do is want act up. Counting no cheese like I pay for the pack. Go with the rock like I play with the rappers. Only one nigga, my name in the rap. The jamming like shit, she keep saying go faster. I get so high like I work over nails. I'm rocking that J when I run through Atlanta. I spend my money all on drink, I could've bought designer stuff. Brand new Cartiers when I'm on the D, they be calling me buff. I'm hiding that bitch, and I know I can't trust. I was fucking that bitch, she just wanna go up. I was jamming on press to say you cutting up. I got paid tuition when I'm in the club. I spend my money all on drink, I could've bought designer stuff. Brand new Cartiers when I'm on the D, they be calling me buff. I'm hiding that bitch, and I know I can't trust. I was fucking that bitch, she just wanna go up. I was jamming on press to say you cutting up. I got paid tuition when I'm in the club. Damn, what the fuck? Should I get a rock? I'm giving them OC exclusive.
smoking